That's serious.
I'm paying $78 for a football.
78? That's 18.
Oh.
Oh, she bottomed out. Here, boys. We've made it.
DJ Nick exclusive. I got a bet, let me do anything that what I want. Blunt, taste like fruit, yup, that'll be run. Sipping the codeine, damn, forgot what for my blunt. She been DM me for months, she want me to freak. I love my fans, meet me at meet and greet. Yes. If it wasn't for my fans, I wouldn't know where I'd be. I swear.
What's up, mates? We're back with another vlog. We're live in Columbia, South Carolina at the moment. Today's vlog is going to take us to Charleston, South Carolina. I'll cut the accent, I know. Y'all probably hate it. I like it. I'm trying to get better at it. But yeah, we're going to Charleston, South Carolina today. Folly Beach and the outlets, because I need some shorts. But, dude, they copyrighted my last video on YouTube, so I'm having to post this again. It's actually finishing perfect time, so I'm getting ready to pull out in a second. But we gotta pick up Tyrese, Kyle, and Brian, and then we're gonna troop down to the beach, Charleston. I'll even show you where it's at, man. Hold on. Okay, so this is us right here. As you can see, that blue dot, that's us. And then Charleston is about right here. So that's about an hour and a half, if that, drive. I think it's 2, to be honest. Let's plug it in. Charleston. Okay, so yeah, 2 hours out, 1 hour and 54 minutes. So, it's not too much. Folly Beach is right here. That's the beach. That's where we're gonna go. Right here. So yeah, I just want to show you guys where we're going if you're not familiar from this area. But let me know where you guys are also from in this map, or even over here if you're in London, the UK, Oxford, and all that. But yeah, let me know where you guys are from, and I don't know. That'll just be interesting. But I gotta get out of here. I'm done talking. Let's get this vlog started. Alright guys, little update. We are pumping gas. We're at the Pilot off of, what is this, exit like 115 I think, something like that. It's the Pilot, Columbia's right there. You can literally see the buildings. There's one right there. I can't zoom anymore. But yeah, we're here, we're getting gas. They're inside getting food. I'm not paying for food till I get to Charleston. I bought a few drinks, so I don't have to pay for drinks because, you know, I'm not trying to spend as much. Because I'm getting ready to go to Florida. So I don't want to do all that. But, damn it, dang. That junk took 20. I did not expect that much to, bro. I better be completely full. That is perfect. That better last me too. Coming up from 2 hours, and that better last me 4 hours drive, bro. Cause I'm not paying no more for gas. It's like it's a 1 star, so both y'all, you should have won. So you should have went ahead. We're at Bojangles. We're in Somerville right now. I had to stop and go to the bathroom. I drank some water while we were on the way. So hey, we're close to Charleston though. We're like, what did it say? How far are we? 23 miles, so 36. We still got a good 40-minute ride, bro. That's tough. Oh, she bottomed out. Why y'all laughing at her? She bottomed out on that jump. She looking like, oh my God. Why y'all laughing at her? You got the section right here for $4, but then you got the Wilson ones for $7. What's the difference, Mike? And the black look better anyways. Let me get some gloves because it's just that serious.
Paying $78 for football.
78? That's 18.
Oh.
I was like, whoa. No, not 78. This mouthpiece is tough though. Alright, let's move. We don't have all day. We're on a time crunch. Not really, we're just trying to get there. Walk around with a water gun.
Somebody bought a football. I can buy a pack of sodas.
Okay. How much is the football?
It's $5.
It turns out we're actually getting two things. What do you get? What else are you getting?
Some soda and drinks.
Some sodas. We're getting some. Listen. We're sending it. I didn't expect to do all that. But we're sending it. Alright, boys. So let's go down this aisle really quick. I'm just playing. We came in here for one thing, and I feel like a parent. We came out with 3 things total. That's how we're gonna be stacking up next fall. I was about to say, if there's something in it, low key, I might have to take that. But yo, we're here, boys. We've made it as far east as we can.
Kobe ain't taking his socks off.
I mean, I will, I guess. I'll just do it when I get out there, I guess. Sit down. Yeah, I'm gonna do it when I get out. Trying to pose for a picture or something. But low key, I might stop. Picture out of the video. But we're here, as you can tell. I'm about to start munching on these. This is my lunch. High key. What? Toes. This man will not take his Crocs off for nothing. You're on the beat, bro. Exactly. First off, there's nobody even by us. Where the Darty at? Where the Darty at, boys? But yeah, we're out here. Nice little hotel behind us, I guess. I don't know. That junk look kind of old, high key, but that hotel right there.
Old people over here.
So you should walk down there. It's so packed over there, bro. I don't know. So we can go check out the gym. All right, let's go. All right, hold on. Let me munch on these chips real quick, cause I'm kind of hungry. Out here with the tunes now. I don't even know the song. I just know like the beat, to be honest. Get them take it, Kyle. We're looking for someone to take our picture as a group. Alright, mate, so we're gonna make a move down the beach a little bit to where the gym is. We're gonna see what's down here. Brian's gotta go to the bathroom. I just want to see what's down here.
Babies.
Yes, hopefully. What Kyle said.
We can leave our stuff.
We found
right
a whole like setup.
We're good.
We're in the sun. Is that pizza boxes or it's like trays? If you cold, you know you can just move that. But yeah, we are here. All right, guys, we're about to leave soon. Freaking, I don't even know how much longer y'all want to be out here.
I'll go at least 20 minutes.
20 minutes, yeah. We still got a long walk back. Exactly. Like, I don't like them. Beach birds, I literally hate them. I cannot stand them at all.
I haven't seen pigeons in New York.
Like, them junks nasty though. And like, they don't care about humans is the thing. But yeah, we gotta find somewhere to eat. We gotta hop on Yelp or something.
Right next to you. Chill it. They'll steal your.
All right, so we're about to dip. We're gonna grab something to eat. Then after that, we're gonna send it back to base, back in 2 hours away. Bro, how many miles is it from here, like, to home? I don't know, but it sure took a while. And I'm really not looking forward to driving back, so. Y'all, I pray for the kid. Alright, so we are downtown Folly Beach. This is like an off street, so this isn't it. But we're about to eat at Pier 101 Restaurant and Bar. That's where we're going.
Oh yeah, have you seen it?
Do it harder just to make sure. Actually, we need to do. Which way am I facing? Yeah, I'm right. Just to make sure. All right. See this, right? He parked on the hump because he can't get in the street because it's too far over. Goals. This is where we're going. So let's see how good it. I don't know. It looks pretty good, but hopefully it's just not too expensive. Food porn. Y'all ready? Yeah. All right. Pier 101A. Man, look at that John. All right, so we're here at Pier 101. They low-key do call him KP. Oh yeah, Jordan called him that. But we're here at Pier 101. We decided to sit outside just because we wanted that fine dining at Jordan Stanley. That's a whole cruise ship going out over there. We're out here, boys. I'm about to end the video right here, man. Just let it ride. Yeah, bro. I can't even talk. I'm about to shut it down. It's been a good day. I'm probably gonna go to Charlotte again this week, or not again, but this week I'm gonna try. But yeah, for right now, that's it. That's all I got for today. We're just gonna drive back. So with that being said, y'all know what to do. Push the subscribe button, all that good stuff. We out. Ciao. Yeah, y'all got anything to say? Like the outro.
It was really fun. It was a great day.
Yep.
Turned up for the boys. Senior year, you already know what I'm saying. Spring break.
Spring break things, eh? Spring break thing. You know what I'm saying? Oh, y'all see them more too. So with that being said, yeah, ciao.
We like to party.